Tayo ngayon ng buffalo wings guys. Ayan po guys. Ito po yung ingredients ng yan guys. Yung manok guys, lagyan ko ng boy, tasty boy guys. Piprito muna natin guys. Ito guys. Prito muna natin. Margarine guys, lagyan natin ng bawang. Ang margarine at saka bawang guys, lagyan natin ng sweet chili sauce guys. Ayan guys, tapos lagyan natin ng konting ketchup guys. Nilagay ko na yung chicken. Guys, ayan na po yung buffalo wings. Yummy yummy guys. Lagyan ulit natin ng pang hot sauce guys. Jufra.